Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today, we're going to talk about Omi, we're going to talk about liquidity wicks, we're going to talk about flags, channels, everything that's going on with price action on the Omi token. Really interesting stuff, guys. We have a symmetrical triangle on a bigger scale showing us indecision. We did not break out to the upside or towards the downside. So we have a lot of key ideas that price is still sideways. We are still looking more bearish than bullish until we see price action towards the upside or break key levels. Keep it in mind, price action is very simple. We have broadening channels, we have a lot of these key information showing us each time these channels have been broken in the past, it's been going lower. Reasons why it's breaking towards the downside. We're always getting these comfortable retests. These are great information for us to look for our trade entry for a breakout retest confirmation. Here we have liquidity wicks. Liquidity wicks are very important, guys. If you missed out on your initial trade or you put your stop loss, came back, hit your trade, a lot of people would exit the trades without realizing. Get back into your trades. The key to mastering these liquidity wicks is very simple. They want you out of the trade before it goes your way. Each and every time your directional bias is right, guys. And especially in crypto, it happens all the time because there's big wicks, big movements, and a lot of volatility, especially when we're going sideways in a range. So this is a broadening channel. We're looking for buys and sells off of this beautiful channel, okay, guys? So we're actually using the bottom to buy and the top to sell. And overall, behind the scene, we're still bearish. When you look at the natural pivot point of the day on the 1 hour, and this pivot point is showing us we need to have a bearish sentiment before we have a bullish idea. Overall, there's a lot of key informations happening. Of course, right here, we do have another liquidity wicks. A lot of people can say, hey, this could be a buying opportunity. Keep this in mind. This is not a bad trade. This is still a good trade for a short-term buy. Of course, this is still a great trade. I'm looking for it to break the previous structural wick to take out those sections before it goes a little bit higher. But more or less, I do not want to buy here. The higher probability is to sell. So I'm looking for the tops to be hit. Once I get that confirmation, I'm looking for a dramatic sell and see where price can go. Because we're in a symmetrical triangle and it's going sideways, there's great opportunity we can see the tops being hit before it goes a little bit lower. So these are key informations that we can see. And if it does break towards the upside, then we can start to see some bullish reactions. But for now, we're still bearish. We're seeing a lot of these key informations. These are what my students will get. They will get day in and day out on understanding structures, price action, exactly looking for the key trades. If you guys do believe in this token, you need to stock up right now. Next year is going to be a big year, especially with Viviverse and especially with a lot of shiny things coming into Ecomi, which I am super excited to say it's going to be a phenomenal year for a lot of investors. And remember, guys, the most important thing that I can truly say, never give up on your trading goals and your journey. Yes, there is going to be times that you feel like trading is not for you. Don't give up. The reasons why you put your hands on the charts in the first place was you believed in a better tomorrow, a better picture. If you guys still have that belief and you believe in yourself, don't give up on your belief. This is the start of something different. This is the year that you're going to make a promise to yourself, to tell yourself you are going to be a better version of yourself, to help those around you, but most of all, to help yourself to be the better version that you deserve. I believe in everyone that puts their foot forward and not taking a step back. Guys, trading can absolutely change your life. It can absolutely make you live the life that you deserve. I want you guys to understand the power of trading starts from within, okay, guys? So don't give up. Give it a go and keep practicing. And if you guys need help, please make sure to contact me. But other than that, watch a lot of my videos. It has a lot of breakout structures, change of characters, a lot of pattern trading, and you guys can understand these are key informations that you need. Higher highs, higher lows, defining a trend, how to define a trend. Look for your structures, get into your trades, feel comfortable, and take those trades analysis. Take those trades, guys. Every single time you take those trades, if your risk to reward and your management skills are on point, every single trade you take can be a great win or at least a reduced loss. Okay, that's the key word, a reduced loss. If you guys do listen to my advice when it comes to using this as your education, you will absolutely go further. Remember, it's not financial advice, it's just my advice on how I look at the charts, how I motivate my students, and keep this in mind. A lot of my students are already getting funded hundreds of thousands of dollars to trade, and I want you guys to be a part of this journey. And because of that, I am going to be taking on new students for the next year. So if you guys do want to learn how to trade and be ready for the bull cycle, please make sure to comment and contact me. I am willing to help as much people as I can, and trust me, I want to see the best for you. And if you guys do like this, once again, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. thank you for all the great work that you guys have been doing. The Ecomi community is one of a kind, and I do truly wish you guys a happy new year. Hopefully you can spend some time with friends and family and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much. Take it easy, and John out.